Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today, day 24 of the 24 days of Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. This is the last day of the video. I just want to thank again Scrappy Tate for hosting this collaboration. Is that what it's called? The swap. And for the time and energy you've put into organizing it. I want to thank my Secret Santa for all the beautiful gifts she's gifted me every day. I absolutely love each and every one of them. I love your thoughtfulness. I love your creativity. I love the things you gifted me. They were all beautiful. I appreciate it so much. I'm so glad that you built my stash. I appreciate that so much. Thank you so much, Tracey. It is TYSCreates here on YouTube. She was my Secret Santa. I am gonna leave her link in my description box below. Please go over there and show her some love. Let her know how wonderful all her crafts was. Sorry you guys don't get to enjoy them, that they're only for me, but I did share. Look, I showed you guys. So anyway, this is day 24. Last day, and let's see what we have here. Oh, so we got some winter snow antibacterial hand soap, and this is very useful. Thank you so much. We got this penguin purifying sheet mask. How cute. And then we have some strawberry daiquiri bubble bath. Oh yeah. Total pampering right here. Total pampering. And then we have this bath bomb. It's a unicorn bath bomb. Aw, thank you so much, Tracey. I'm going to appreciate this little pamper. I appreciate it again, Tracey, so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching the collaboration, for joining me every day. I hope you guys have a very mele kalikimaka. I hope that you guys are able to spend it with your family and friends. I hope that you are safe and healthy through this holiday season. Please be careful. Still wear your mask. You know, wash your hands, sanitize. Keep doing all the stuff we need to do so that we can be healthy through the new year. We want to be able to ring in a happier and healthier new year for the 2021 year. So again, please have a Merry Christmas from my ohana to your ohana. Mele kalikimaka. Until my next video, shakas.